This video shows how to use password and access control settings in the greenBOX. We'll start at the sign-in screen. To view the system without making changes, select Continue as Guest. As a guest user, you can access the greenBOX interface in read-only mode. You can view system status and settings, but you cannot edit values or make configuration changes. The read-only indicator confirms that this session does not have permission to modify the system. To make changes, log out of the guest session and sign in with an authorized username and password. Once signed in with read-write access, configuration values can be edited. For example, this setting can now be changed from 12 to 10. Password and user permissions are managed from the greenBOX settings under the Access Control tab. This screen is organized into 3 areas. Your account is where the signed-in user can update their own password. greenBOX Display Write Password controls whether users at the local touchscreen need a password before making configuration changes. Local Network Guest Access controls whether users on the greenBOX local network can continue as a guest with read-only access. For local network access, the guest account can be enabled or disabled. When enabled, guest users can view the system, but they cannot make changes. By default, the local touchscreen allows users to view status and change configuration settings. If you want to prevent unauthorized changes from the touchscreen, you can enable password protection. If password protection is no longer needed, the touchscreen password can be cleared clicking here. Additional users can also be created here. Each user can be assigned administrator privileges, and each account can be set as either read-only or read/write. To log out, use the Log Out option in the interface, or open the 3-dot menu in the top right corner and select Log Out. That is the basic workflow for using the greenBOX password and access control settings.